Hey, welcome to another landscaping video here, guys. We just went out and bought this Weeping White Spruce. It's gorgeous, guys. It's a little bit expensive, but we were looking for something that's narrow and that grows really tall. We're trying to block this. Eventually there's gonna be a window here because we were looking at expanding the house. So this white spruce here, Weeping White Spruce, grows about 20 to 30 feet depending on the type of soil and the condition it's in. If it's like it's surrounding, it will grow really tall. I like about it is it's narrow, it's easy to maintain. It's in the, I believe, in the 5-7 zone, and it grows really straight. But here, this is a little bit crooked. This you can train it to be straight. I did go out buy some bamboo where I'm gonna just tie it up and straighten it out a little bit. But it's very easy to maintain. Type of soil you want to make sure when you dig it in here, you can see I'm gonna add some topsoil on top of it. Mix it. You can see I mixed it a little bit. You want it kind of loose soil, not too much clay, because clay, it's hard for it to grow. Now you don't want it to be so wet too. It needs to be drained. So this area, you can see it drops down a little bit, goes out, and again you want to give it some breathing, some space so it can breathe, like between this bush tree here, and it's about 12 feet apart. So beautiful tree, guys. Very expensive, hard to get by. There's only two trees. I got the second to the last one. I picked this one, but it grows about 12 inches a year. Again, depends on the type of soil, type of condition it's in. And you can always add fertilizer like calcium, a little bit lime, and also some sulfur on your dirt to stimulate its growth. But yeah, very great addition to the house. Again, we're trying to get a little area where the golfers, when they do hit the tee off right here, they can see that there's a tree here. It's gonna help, because once we add this, we grew this, the golfers pretty much don't hit this side of the house anymore. So it is really, really beautiful birch tree, guys. You can see this is about 4 or 5 year old tree. It grew really, really fast here. Here, I'm gonna show you what I'm using. I am using this here. This is, again, you would go to a local hardware store, guys. I got some pallet fertilizer here, gypsum. It's like $10 bag, and then you get some lime. Here, guys, let me push this back. 50 pounds of lime. For every pound of dirt, yeah, about a tablespoon of lime in there. As you can see, it's adapting to its environment really well. There's no yellowing. We did, again, add one more layer of dirt. Once it settled in, add a layer of dirt, and I add this bamboo to straighten out the pine. I put some wire strap here, and it's just temporary, and eventually I'll take that off. But yeah, it's adapting pretty good. I'm actually, about every other day, I'm coming out and watering it a little bit. Again, you don't want it too wet. You want it dry in between so that it doesn't rot the roots. Also, double check and make sure I'm using a leveler. Make sure that it's straight, because the wind tends to, once the base settles in, the root, it tends to either lean, so you want to double check that. I'm going to use this kind of like a measure to see if it grows past this quite a bit, but as of right now, it's looking really, really good. Again, we planted this about a week ago. and we're trying to get it ready, winterize it. So I think it should have about 2-3 months to actually get its roots deep into, so that it will survive the winter. So something to think about, guys. When you do plant an expensive tree like that, give it time. You have to nurture it. You have to take care of it. Oh, I also did add some fertilizer, a little bit of fertilizer in there, and once I mix the last layer of dirt, so it gives it a little more growth. And then these pine, they do grow a little bit slow. They grow about 12 inches a year, so they don't grow that quickly like that birch tree grows. I think it grew about 3 feet a year, because that's a 4-year-old tree. It grew more than that, 3 feet, but that's a gorgeous tree.